This is how I would absolutely create so many movies and so much cool stuff if I had unlimited Seedance credit. So Figma Weave, if you're listening, your man could use some help here. But like, this is basically how I go about creating. There's multiple ways that you can create a video for your brand using Seedance. I'm going to show you. I'm going to try to show you all of those ways. So basically, there's first one. You can have a text to create a storyboard and give it a model. This is our model. So this is, let's say, a shoe campaign. We've given it the shoes. Combine it all with a compositor node. And then what you want to do is just give that and the product to the models so that it can kind of go for the product consistency. As you can see, like, this is what the sole actually looks like, and like it's and this is what the shoe actually looks like. It's quite cool how when you give it more references, you can actually, so like, this is the storyboard. Now, this storyboard acts like the starting frame for multiple timestamps for Seedance, and then you give it the prompt that, hey, this is the storyboard, this is the product, this is the model, this is how I want you to use it, and then you come up with a video like, hey, I'm going to tell you before I show you a video, it's not perfect, but it's good. It's good enough so that you can do something. So it's not perfect, but it's something, and it only gets better from here. As you can see, we've got, let me show you, so like a POV style videos, like maybe, let me show you this. Similar concept.
I closed the biggest deal of my life today.
This might actually blow your mind.
I closed the biggest deal of my life today. Been building towards it for 4 years. Warm, almost laughing at himself. Wanted to celebrate. Took me an hour to think of someone to call. Mom would have made me repeat the number twice. So, pi. To the 4 years, to nobody and everybody. I closed.
So you can, like, the content doesn't have to be boring anymore as long as you've got an idea. I'll put videos on the side. But like, you get the idea. Like, you can create content like this iPhone like shot and absolutely knock it out of the park. Like ASMR videos, whatever it is that you're trying to sell. You can make movies like this. You see, the sky's the limit. So this is two ways. So the first one is to give it the storyboard, which again, it was back in the days when we still had Seedance 2, but now we have Seedance 2.5. It's a lot better when you just go to Claude, just like, let me show you. So basically, this is the mood board. This is kind of the vibe that we're going for. You give it to Fable 5 and be like, okay, let's just brainstorm with it. And then obviously you want to teach it how the models like to receive prompts, and then get Fable to give you a prompt for each scene that you've basically talked about. And like, I've told it that I kind of want to create like a 2-second cuts where it's like speed fast, but at the same time I want to be able to control what those frames are, so that it's not just generating whatever, it's not assuming things. Like Seedance 2.5 is absolutely freaking nuts. And hey, Figma, help me out here. I want to create some really cool stuff, and I have like 2-3 stories in my mind already. So just need credits. All right, I'll see you in the next one, but I hope it helps.